This is my real voice. The next voice that you are going to hear will be my AI clone voice.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show how you can clone your voice for free using your smartphone. Before I start, I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So the name of the website that you can clone your voice for free is VoiceOver. You can sign in using your Google account or your email. So I'm going to use my Google account to sign in to the website. So this is how you can clone your voice. You click on clone a voice. Choose a name for your voice. So after choosing a name, what you need to do, you need to upload your voice. If you have any voice that you have recorded before, maybe in your phone or anywhere, you need to upload it here. Or if you don't do like that, you click on record voice to record it directly on the website. So I have my voice I've already recorded and it's inside my phone, so I will click here. So you can see uploaded successfully. So after that, you upload image for your voice. So when that is done, you click on clone voice. So I have successfully cloned my voice. So this is it. So for you to start using your voice that you clone, you click on it. And then choose mode, either standard, advanced or dialogue. If you want it to be like a kind of like you want to have a conversation with someone, you choose dialogue. Then so for this tutorial, I will just go ahead with standard. So when that is done, you add your text, like what you want to say. I will just type voice engine. I will choose 3.0. And then output format, I will choose MP3. And then when that is done, I will click on generate. So when that is done, I will click on generate speech. So our speech is ready.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
So that is it. You can go ahead to click on download to download it to your device. So that is how you can clone your voice for free using these free AI tools on your mobile phone. So this is how you can import your clone voice to CapCut and use it in your video. Click on new video. Choose any video of your choice. And then when that is done, you click on where we have audio. Choose sounds. Select this where we have this folder icon. Choose device. And then search for that your audio that you clone. When you see it, click on it.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Click on the plus sign.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
So that is how you can import your clone voice to CapCut for your video. So that is all.